Keep it for the
Stay.
khổ thân.
Oh man, let's be doctor to perfect it. Yeah.
You a doctor?
No, I'm not.
When you become a doctor, you fix it for him, right?
Yeah.
Khổ thân thế.
He's a patient.
It's
We
really
need
hurt.
to go to the vet.
It's really hurt, right?
Okay. Poor snake.
Poor snake. Put it right here for snake.
I want to go. I want to read a game, please.
What book is about?
Builder and breakers.
So, builder and breaker.
Yeah.
What do builders do?
Build.
What do breakers do?
Breaks.
That's right.
And Jack, do what? Jack.
Check, 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 check.
Jack.
What's the name? What's the name of the check, 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 check? What's the name of that?
It's something that
Jackhammer?
break on the rocks.
Jackhammer?
Jackhammer?
Maybe. Builders build. Breakers break.
Breaker though.
Right, right. Break này. Bang, bang,
My
bang.
cake is making.
That's right.
Yeah.
Build. Builder.
Build. Breaker.
Builder.
Builder.
Building. Building.
I'll break that
Break.
breaker.
Breaker. Breakthrough.
Break two.
Breaking.
Breaking.
Oh, that's a jackhammer.
Jackhammer.
Say, see? Jackhammer. I told you.
I got mice.
Builder's hammer. Bang, bang, bang.
My cake is making.
Breaker's jackhammer.
I got mice.
Diggers.
Diggers.
Down, down, down.
Can I go down there and see what's
Welder. Weld.
this?
Welder.
Welder do what?
Weld.
Weld?
Spark, spark, sparks.
Well, he need a welder.
Cranes hoist. Up, up,
Hoist?
up.
Like crane tricks. Like crane tricks.
Children search. Look, look, look. Wheels. I am excavator.
I am baby excavator.
Vader. Wheelbarrows carry. Roll, roll, roll.
He do what? Why?
You roll.
Why a roll?
Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
Dad. Daddy.
Daddy though.
Where's Daddy?
Right here.
What's
Daddy doing?
Where's the children?
Racing and bake.
That's right. So Daddy đây.
Daddy let me see it all.
Daddy will bring them up to the sky after build time.
She built.
Yeah, he built.
What is this, Daddy? Another Daddy
Comes break time.
comes.
Break time.
Break time.
Yeah. The end.
The LSE.
Ồ, em ra rồi. Read book? You want read book? Which one? This one or this one? This one?
Yeah.
Or this one? Which one? This one? Okay. Sit down. Grayson, sit down right here. Lovely old.
No, that's my book.
Thôi không sao. Nhường em đi. Nào, đậu lấy đi. Con đầu những quyển kia nào. Ngã.
No, baby. No, baby.
It's okay. Grayson. Pick one. Here you have plenty of books.
This.
That one? Okay, cool. Come on, watch
I
it.
need to push this to the book up.
Yeah. Lapma destroy the world. Why he's trying to destroy the world?
That's bad.
Yeah, that's so bad.
That's bad now.
Đây đấy.
Need punch.
Watch out. No. Look. Come here, Grayson. On Friday, Llama will destroy the world.
Why?
I am Llama. Proclaim Llama. Monday? Oh, Monday, Llama found
Cake.
a piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Pound of cake, more than cake than any llama should ever eat. That said Llama.
That was no.
Llama ate all the cake.
Oh no.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
He have a tummy hurt.
This was his first mistake. Bleh. It was an honest mistake. It was a delicious mistake. One of those mistakes that leads to more mistakes and
Burp.
eventually the doom of everything. Tuesday. Tuesday was for dancing. Llama put on his dancing pants. The pants did not fit.
He have a tummy hurt?
No, he has a big belly, big tummy because he ate a lot of
Candy.
no.
Cakes.
That's right.
Can I see if he ate a lot of cake?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right here, right here.
Right here?
He eat a lot of cake, the whole cake.
No. Rainbow and this.
Look, he eating the cake. He eat everything. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a bird.
Girls do what?
Bird hit the glass.
Why?
I don't know why.
No.
Okay,
Where is it?
but he never danced without his dancing pants. They made his butt look groovy. Ooh.
What
So
happened?
he huffed and puffed and squeezed and stuffed himself in the pants. Oh, okay. Then Llama danced. He jig, he tangled, he cha-cha-cha real smooth,
He jig where? Where jig?
and rip.
What happened?
He,
He pound brick.
yes, right.
Why?
Rip.
What happened?
He's rip his pants. Look.
You?
Yeah.
Brick his pants.
Wednesday
It smell
Llama.
like what?
is black hole. So he didn't know what it could be, but Llama,
What's this? Who's this?
he's the pig.
Well, or that's a real pig?
So Llama read books and he ran complex experiments.
What's this?
Pound cake.
Pound cake?
And
I know it.
he made a bologna and cheese sandwich and extra cheese.
Where's the
And this
sandwich?
was his third mistake. Oh, Thursday.
What happened?
So
Where's Llama? What happened after
many
that?
signs of the doom appear in the sky.
What happened, Daddy?
That's the
Turtles.
no. That's a black hole. Black hole sucking everything. Turtles, cubs, and hats. Right?
Hats.
Thursday was for painting. Llama was busy painting his latest masterpiece. The end was near. On Friday, the war ended.
Can I see where is the pig of he ate a cake? Huh? What? A cake. That's fun.
And everything is sucked into the black hole. So black hole swallow everything. They swallow
I don't know.
the earth.
Earth?
The earth. That's the planet we live in. The house,
House?
llama,
Llama?
star,
Store?
Saturn,
Started?
the sun, bird,
Bird?
and rabbit, and pig,
Pig?
right? And moon,
Moon?
until there was nothing.
Why must the
Saturday. On
why?
Saturday,
Why he post? Why he just suck it?
because that's the black hole. That's what black hole does.
I don't like it.
You don't like black hole?
Yeah, I hate that black. I hate
On
that
Sunday,
black.
on the other side of the black hole, everything was fine. The universe tumbled out exactly
Can I see
as it
where
had been before.
he eat all the things?
sky was blue, the sun was shining, the world was perfectly calm, like nothing ever happened. On Sunday, with the world back to normal, Llama found something wonderful.
What's that?
Pounds of pie.
Pie?
More pie than any llama should ever eat.
Yeah.
Llama ate all the pie. The end.
Yeah.
Another book.
Why is still in the wall?
Mm.
Like this. Like here. Like this.
Con gì đây?
Donkey.
Donkey.
Yeah.
What's a donkey? Con có yêu con này không? Get another book.
He's so wet.
It's so fluffy.
No, he's wet, right? Feel it.
He's so fluffy.
Hey!
Hey, come on, Grayson. Get another book.
What's donkey doing?
Jumping, dancing. Come on. Đưa sách cho bố nói. What's what? Curious George and the Dinosaur.
Curious George?
George là con khỉ này. His name is George. Jimmy's class was taking a field trip to the museum.
Read that for me.
Already?
Yeah.
This one? You want to read it again or you want to pass?
I'm gonna read it for you.
Okay. Jimmy's class was taking a field trip to the museum and George was going along. We're glad to have you, George, said Miss Chauncey. The teacher, Mr. Chauncey. But don't get into trouble, okay? Don't get into trouble. At the museum, Mr. Chauncey.
If he get in trouble, what happens?
He will be time out.
Time out?
And the teachers will not happy.
She
Will not be happy.
She'll feel what? Feel what?
Don't get into trouble because that's a field trip. Okay?
And what she feel?
At the museum, Mr. Chauncey began to explain one of the displays.
I will not get in trouble.
These rocks are millions years old.
You don't get a stranger.
The students weren't listening.
If you get a stranger,
This is boring. This is boring, said a student. It surely, said another.
That's a bully word.
When is lunchtime? Asked a third. George wandered off. He didn't find the rock very interesting either. But in the next room, George saw something very interesting. It was a huge skeleton. What a long tail. See, a long tail. It was too much for George to resist. He stepped over the rope and jumped onto the tail. He climbed down. He climbed up. See, George. He climbed up and up until he's reached.
What is this?
That's the guard of the museum.
Guard?
Guard. He climbed up and up until he reached the skeleton head. Just then, Mr. Chauncey and the class came into the room.
And what he do?
Look at that dinosaur, said Jimmy. Look at George.
He feel what?
He feel very frustrated.
Why?
Very angry because George, what did he do?
Don't know.
He climbed up and hold the dinosaur head. George was very scared.
Why?
That's how they wrote dinosaur in old days. Yeah. Tell us more about the dinosaur.
Don't worry, I'll rescue him. I'll rescue him.
So, dinosaur, the earth was once full of huge creatures like this. Okay? And the director of the museum came charging.
He do what?
He shouted, "Guards, get that monkey down before he causes any damage." The director ordered, "Get him down." Poor George. There he was top of dinosaur and had no place to hide. "Just a moment," said teacher. Chauncey. George was great help to me. He got the children interested in the dinosaur. We wouldn't have listened, said the boy.
I will tie the rope and I rescue him.
Okay, said the director. I can see that our dog isn't damaged. We'll forgive him this one. You can come down, George. He called.
He jump?
Yeah, he jump.
George jump.
Hooray! Mr. Chauncey said, I have thank you for making this visit and just one job, but next time, promise not to ride the.
No.
Not to ride the.
A dinosaur.
That's right.
His mom came. That's his mommy?
No, that's the zookeeper.
Zookeeper.
They're gonna take George back to the zoo. The end.
Back to the zoo.
Yes.
I love that monkey. This skeleton. Oh, look. He's have a bow.
Bone everywhere.
Yeah?
Yeah, because skeleton basically are bones only.
Yeah. Like the dinosaur.
That's correct. So we have dinosaur bones, and
Skeleton.
this is a human skeleton. Okay, I mean human bones is a skeleton.
I
Okay.
think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, he do that.
Hiccup.
Hiccup.
How you say the hiccup? Skeleton woke up. Hic hic. Had a hiccup. Hic hic. Skeleton took a shower. Right? See? Shower. Brushed his and polish his bone. Still have a hiccup. Crave a pumpkin. Still hic hic.
Why?
Rake some leaf. Still hic hic. Okay. And play with ghost. Hi, what's up, ghost? Hi, hello, ghost. Still have hiccup. Ghost told skeleton, hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Press your finger over your eyeballs. Drink some water upside down. Ooh, look, he poured the water and it's coming out of his eye hole. Yeah. Ghost make a face, said boo, boo to the skeleton.
What's he doing?
But nothing worked. The hiccup stayed.
What's he doing?
Then Ghost got smart. Found a mirror, held it up, hic hic, and skeleton scream. Ah! The hiccup left. So Ghost had the skeleton. They jump away.
Jump away?
The end.
That's silly.
That's so silly. That's a silly book.
I'll stop.
Go see your mommy.
I want book. I
How many
read
books did you
five.
read? No, how many written books did you
1,
read?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Count again.
1, 2, 3.
How many?
4.
That's correct.
Yeah, 4 books.
Okay.